Most of you guys have been asking me how I get the assets for my videos. In this video, I will walk you through every website that I use to get PNGs, SVGs, and even 3D models. Let's get into it. The first one I'm going to start with is PNGWings, and this is the one I use most often. So you just click here, open this one up. Now it's going to open up this home page, so you can just search for whatever you want. Let's say I want a DaVinci Resolve logo. Just gonna search for that. Now all of this is going to appear. You see all of these come with transparent background. You can just choose whatever you want here. Let's say I want this one. I'm just gonna hit download. It's gonna open a new tab. As it's finished loading, I'm going to come here. You can see here download PNG. Just hit download and it's going to download that one for me. Now it has downloaded. You can just open this up and make sure you save it wherever you want to save it. If I just open this one up, you see it's a DaVinci Resolve logo with a transparent background, and you can use it in your edit. Now if I come here, I can still search for something like a plus icon, and you look at here, you can choose whatever you want from here. You see all this plus icon. You can even search for an iPhone. This is an iPhone, this is an iPhone. Notice that all of them come with transparent background. This is a website that I use on a daily basis. You can just bookmark this one. Remember, PNGWings, this is the name here. By the way, I'm not sponsored by any of these websites. I'm just showing you because I use them. The next website I'm going to show you is Flaticon. It's another popular website. Just come here, open this up. They're going to ask you to sign in. Just make sure you sign in with your email or whatever you want to use. So you can search any icon like a bell icon. If you want to download it, you see SVG or PNG, you can just hit anyone. I know you don't want to pay anything, so just hit free here and you can download. Now you can also search for something like a, let's say, plus icon. Just hit plus there, plus symbol. These are so many options that you can use in your edit. Now the next website I'm going to show you is Pinterest. I know most of you think about Pinterest for inspiration, but this one, you can also use Pinterest to get assets. If you look at one of my videos, like this video here, I use Pinterest to get all of the assets for this one. Let me show you. Now this is Pinterest. If you just type here, let me just type here maybe Cristiano Ronaldo. You see here are some images that you can use. You can search for images like this and you keep getting the same images like this one, and that is it. You can search for an iPhone. This is it. You see this one. If you click on this one and you come here, click on more action, or you can even save image. It shows that you have saved the image. Or you come here, click here, you see download image. It's going to download the image for you, and you see here it downloads immediately. You can download this one and remove the background elsewhere. And another website I will show you is, you can use Google. Let's say I want a car PNG. You can just hit enter and let's go to images. Yes, you can just search for anyone that is free. You might want to add free here so that you don't use something that is copyrighted. But so you just search one of these from here and you can have it from Google. Now the last one is a 3D website which I use. Go to Sketchfab 3D models. You just need to create an account. I already did mine, so I'm just going to log in with my email and it's going to work. Let's say I need something like a 911. That's the Porsche 911. Just going to search for a Porsche 911. Now you see you can just check here downloadable. Each model that you see with this arrow here shows that it's free. If you see something like this, it's paid. This one is paid. So if I see this one, I like this one, I can just click on it. If you wait for it to load, this is the model. You can look at the model, spin around it, and if you want to download it, come here, come down here, and you're going to download the USDZ version, because DaVinci Resolve accept USDZ files. So just hit that. You see it's going to download here. Now let's say I want something. Let's say I want a pack of dollars. Yes, you see this is one, this is one, all of this. If you see this one, it means it's paid. Let's find something that is let's go with this one. Let's search for another model, like you might want the iPhone 17. Yeah, these are several free models that you can download. You see, you can turn around them, look around them, even by just scrolling like this. If you find the one that you want, maybe this one, maybe this one, just make sure you click on it and you can come down here, hit download, and download the USDZ file. When you download the USDZ file, you can then import it to DaVinci and animate it however you want to. These are the websites that I use on a daily basis. If you got value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want to see next. I read all the comments and I make sure I reply to all of them. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.